Employee referral in Zoho Recruit. Now, typically, employees could reach out to recruiters in their organization and submit various candidates as part of the referral. So this becomes a very hectic task for recruiters to track all these referrals, which is why an organization can use the employee referral feature in Zoho Recruit. So employees, in order to refer candidates, they can simply navigate to the referrals module, click on refer a candidate on the right top corner, and upload the candidate resume. So once the candidate resume is uploaded, the system will pass the information onto candidate information, at which point the employee can go ahead and make changes if required, or without uploading the resume itself, the employee can go ahead and add the candidate information. Apart from this, the employee can also select the job opening that they're referring the candidate for. But keep in mind, the job openings listed for the employee will only be the published job openings on your Zoho Recruit account and not all job openings. So once the job openings is selected, the candidate information is added, the employee can now go ahead and add the relationship that they have with the candidate, how long they've known them for, and any additional notes as well. Once they are done, they can go ahead and click on Submit Referral. So this will create a referral record within Zoho Recruit and a candidate record as well. So through the referrals module, the employee can track the status of their referrals with respect to the job opening that they've submitted the candidate for, and the recruiters, when they navigate to the referred candidate record within Zoho Recruit, within the origin section, they can review that the origin is marked as referred by the employee that has referred them, and by clicking on the referred employee icon here, they can review additional information such as what is the relationship between the candidate and the employee, how long they've known them for, and any additional notes as well. And the resume that is uploaded will automatically be mapped to the attachment section of the candidate record.